Let's take a look at gestures you can use on your Chromebook and how they work. As an idea, you may want to pause in between gestures so that you can practice on your own Chromebook. Let's start with moving the cursor. To move the cursor, you're only going to use one finger and move it around the screen. Now let's practice a single left click. To left click, you're going to lightly tap. You don't have to press very hard. You're just going to lightly tap. Now let's practice a right click. For a right click, you're going to want to do two fingers and tap on the screen. This will give you a right click. Now let's practice going forward and backward. If I want to go on the previous page, I'm going to take two fingers and swipe backward. This will take me to the page that I was just on. To swipe forward, you will move forward. You'll notice there's an indicator on the screen to tell me what's happening. Now let's switch between open tabs. You can see I have quite a few tabs, but without clicking, I can actually move between them by using three fingers and moving backward and forward. So to go to the previous tabs, I'll use three fingers. Notice how I'm scrolling between my tabs. To go forward, I can move forward. This is a quick way to switch in between tabs. Now let's talk about the drag and drop. If I wanted to drag and drop something, like let's say I want to move an app from one area of my screen and drop it, you can do this with two fingers if it makes it easier. So if I wanted to put slides right here on my bar so that it's pinned, I can click and hold and use my other finger to drag it down and release when it is where I want it. It's easier to do with two fingers until you get used to it. The next thing I want to do is show you how to go to all open windows. We learned how to use the overview button, but now I'm going to show you how to do it with a gesture. Three fingers up shows you all open windows. Three fingers down brings you right back to where you were.